Hello everyone, today we're diving into the world of kitchen excellence with the Ninja Ceramic Cookware Set, an 11-piece collection designed for extended life and ultimate cooking comfort. Featuring a unique ceramic lock coating, this set ensures long-lasting nonstick performance, unlike traditional ceramic cookware that quickly wears out. Enjoy healthier cooking with surfaces that require little to no oil or fat, and rest easy knowing these pots and pans are made without harmful chemicals like PTFE, PFOA, lead, or cadmium. The non-slip silicone handles provide a cool, comfortable grip, making stovetop cooking a breeze without the need for mitts. Versatility is key, as this cookware set is oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with all stovetops, including induction. Whether you're sautéing, simmering, or baking, this navy blue set seamlessly transitions from stovetop to oven or broiler. Elevate your culinary experience with the Ninja Ceramic Cookware Set, where innovation meets style and functionality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.